Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I am going to do my May 2021 income report. So stay tuned to learn how much I make on Kindle Direct Publishing low content books, because I tell you all on this channel how to make money online through generally making books on Kindle Direct Publishing, though I do quite a few things that are similar to that. So how much did I make this month? And here is the answer. Okay, let me share my screen right here. In May of 2021, I made $2,461. And I think this is a great amount because this is books that I had already published. I really haven't published anything new in the past few months because I'm getting together a huge amount of books to sell for Q4. I do a lot of planners and yearly type annual books. So a lot of my sales tend to come in the October, November, December, January timeframe. That's my big months. But these are kind of books that I've published and kind of consistently do that 2,000, 3,000 a month type income. And I'm really excited about that. And I know that $3,000 is a lot for you all, and this isn't, or not for everybody, but it is a lot for a lot of people out there. And I want to motivate you and let you know that you can make this kind of income if you learn the skills that you need to learn and you're willing to change. Because a lot of times in the beginning, I was talking to a few people, and in the beginning, they're trying stuff and they don't know what they're doing, and they're just kind of copying what's out there and doing something similar just to learn the process. And that's normal. But I kind of think of that as your learning phase rather than your money making phase. And in the beginning, you're going to do a lot of learning, but that's kind of normal. And there are a lot of people who do make money outside, like right off the bat in the first few months, and they may have different experiences or backgrounds, or I know a lot of people who make stuff right away are doing like low to medium content books. They're picking something they know something about, putting energy and effort and kind of their expertise into, and then creating kind of a unique product. And if you don't start with something like that, or you don't know what you're doing in the beginning, maybe you're just publishing lines and some covers so that you understand how to create covers, how the whole process of KDP works. But this kind of income is something you can make on a consistent basis and kind of maintain. And so this is kind of my average maintain type thing. And right now I'm gearing up to create all my books that I'm going to put up for kind of the Q4 planner annual sales. And I'm going to try and put them up really early this year. Last year, I put them up around October. This year, I'm going to try and get them out this summer because I'm really going to try and get all my Q4 stuff out really early this year. And I will let you know how that goes. But it was going pretty well putting stuff out in October. So I'm hoping if I'm on the ball this year and just really focus on what, for me, makes the most money, and that will differ. Everyone has their unique skill sets and that sort of thing. I want to call myself a disorganized planner. By nature, I am completely disorganized. So I know how to help myself organize. So planners and yearly things like that come really naturally for me because I know that those are the skills I lacked. So I know all the tricks that I use to convince myself not to do something, or ways in this sense to make things easier for myself so that I can have a planner that I will follow because it's easy for me. So we all have our unique skill sets. And sometimes you think your fault, which is mine, is I'm totally disorganized. If you see my desk, it's awful. But I know this is my fault, and I know how to help myself, or how I can help myself. And so I turn my fault into something that is useful. And so I have a skill set that I do really well with planners. And so I've done other things, and I make this consistent income, 2,000-3,000 a month, based on some of the other books I've done. But I know that my best thing that I can do is usually planners, because that's something for me that works really, really well. Obviously, the drawback is there's certain months people buy planners and there are certain months they don't. But that's okay. I make a lot. Christmas is a great time to be selling a lot of product. So I wanted to give you this income report. I hope it was motivational for you. I want you to succeed. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can help you build a business that lasts and that you really love and enjoy. And I really want that for all of you. So until next time, bye.